I'm gonna put on some Christmas movies and make some hot cocoa. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Yay! So it's been about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and this is what we have right now. Focus! It won't focus. But yeah, this is what we have right now, so. Merry Christmas! It's a Christmas Merry. And we are live in the panhandle of Florida, Northwest Florida, because I do need to clarify that because I was being told that I was wrong and that I was lying, because I'm not one for usually disclosing my precise location. So, the panhandle of Florida. Update number 3 or 4, girl, I have no idea. So it's being reported from others that have gone outside with like a ruler and so, we got a little breeze, a little blizzard happening. That we have 9 to 10 inches of snow. So we've gone from cute to dangerous. I need for it to. Good morning, everybody. Coming to you live from the panhandle of Florida, Northwest Florida. Look, come on, please don't play with me right now, camera. Thank you. It stopped snowing. However, the current temperature outside is 17. That's a 1 and a 7, and it feels like 8.
Was huge. I don't know how they did that. Cause it was, I guess